Welcome. We're excited to have you here. My name is Lauren, and I'm a course development manager here at Udemy. For many years, I've helped hundreds of instructors, just like you, create high-quality courses that have engaged and inspired students around the world. In this course, you will watch as I coach an instructor, David, on finding the target student for his course and setting his course goals. The course is designed for you to go through the same journey alongside David. He will be present throughout the course, learning alongside you and asking himself some of the same questions you might have. This course will help you get your course creation journey off to a great start. When you start thinking about your new course, it's tempting to jump in and start writing down everything you know and want to share about your topic. But it's important to take a step back and think about exactly who this course is for and what the goal of your course is. Think about it like this. Your course all starts with someone who has a specific need, problem, or desire. This is your target student. Now, the reason you're creating this course is to help that specific student achieve their learning objectives. This is the goal of your course. So, your course is effectively the bridge between where that student is now and where they want to be. The only way you can build a bridge that works is by knowing exactly where your student is starting and where they're hoping to end up. What are the concrete benefits to starting your course with a specific target student and course goal in mind? If you try to create a course for everyone, then your course actually becomes less relevant to any particular person. Imagine a leadership workshop for helping people become better managers. If you tried to target both people who had been in management roles for a year and those who had been managing for 10 years, would they want to learn the same things? Probably not. So by creating a course for a clear target student, you're much more likely to reach the right people for your course. And if you reach the right people, chances are they'll leave better reviews. As experts, we tend to believe that everything about a topic is relevant. But if you keep a very specific student in mind and map out what that student will have achieved by the end of the course, you'll know what information you can and should leave out. This will focus your course creation process and ensure a better quality of your course overall. There are lots of decisions to make as you go through the course creation process. What types of activities do you include? Which examples do you use? In which area would a student want in-depth information versus a quick overview? Knowing your target student and the skills they need to build will help you make these decisions much more easily. So, are you ready to discover who your target student is and what you will help them achieve?